How's to start an email marketing on System.io. So why System.io? System.io is a very good way for you to create an email marketing campaign because it is literally built for that specific thing. And the way to do that is that you need to understand three things. We have our email campaigns, we have our funnels, which is like a step from retrieving an email to putting that email to our mailing list, all the way to marketing our product to that specific email. And we also have what we call our website. Okay, so let's get started. So as I said, there are three steps, right? We need to retrieve the emails. We need to connect them to our mailing list, and we need to create a campaign that sends your marketing to the said mailing list. Okay, for the first step, which is to create a mailing list, which is to like retrieve an email, is you can create a landing page for this. Now, to create a landing page, go to funnels and click create, and let's create our funnel. Let's say our funnel here is marketing, and our marketing, let's click build an audience, and our currency, let's set it to USD. Or you know what, let's stick to euro. Okay, so here's an important thing. If your funnel is using a free domain like this over here, there is a higher possibility that it will pass as a spam on the email somehow. So if you really want to go back on the email marketing, you need to invest on a custom domain that you pay. I think it has something to do with the security, like the HTTPS setup. So just be sure to set up your custom domain if you do not want your email to be ending up in spams. So as you can see, your funnel goal here is to build an audience, right? Because you want to collect email addresses. Different thing if you want to sell or run an evergreen webinar or a custom funnel. But in this case, I'm just going to click build an audience as my funnel goal because it will create a template specifically to collect email addresses. So I do not have to create extra effort. Okay, so once we have added our funnel, let's click our funnel. And in here, you have two things that we need to edit. First is our squeeze page, and next is our thank you or download page. Okay, for the next step, I am going to take a look at my existing funnel. Okay, now as you can see on my squeeze page, I simply renamed it to landing page. And on the thank you page, I am going to click make the thank you or download page. But alternatively, you can just remove this. I think it's not useful if you just want to add an email, like if you just want to collect emails. So let's just make this cleaner and only use the landing page. Now, let's click edit page. And in the edit page, as you can see here, you already have a template. If you haven't already, let's go back to our like newly created funnel, and let's edit this from scratch. As you can see, you can choose the template. Now I just want to use this template. Let's say, for example, just choose the template that you think best suiting to your needs, and let's change the name here to email collection, because that is the purpose of this page, right? And on the thank you page, well, you can choose to add a thank you page, but in this case, again, I do not want extra steps, so I'll just remove it because this is created solely for email collection, right? And in the edit page, now this is very important. You have your what it's called the form input. As you can see, if you have not added a form input, just go to the left menu and scroll down and find the form input. Just click it and drag and drop. But In this form input, what you want to do is to hover over the email and click settings, and make sure the input type is email. And for the button over here, you want to click it and you want to change the action to submit form. Now this is very important because this submit form action will allow us to automatically add the email that are submitted by the visitor, by our website visitor, to our contact list, which is our email list on system.io. Now the next redirection is to you can either go to the next step. The next step being, if you want, go to the thank you page. In this case, I'm going to add a custom URL, and because I'm selling like this thermos as a part of my healthy daily routine club, I want to redirect it to this product. There you go. Now, once you've done doing it, click Save Changes. And let's take a look at the email side of things, which is really the primary focus on our video right now. Okay, from your funnel, as you can see, you can have contacts. Now I have added a context. You can go ahead and check it, but I've checked my funnel and go to the funnel website, and I've added one of my email. Now, what you want to do next is to go to email and click campaigns and create campaign. Okay, so let's click the campaign to and name it water bottle or flask. Just click in any type in any description that you want, and in your campaign, let's click create, and let's create a campaign step. Okay, so the email here, maybe don't miss out. Maybe miss out on our bottle. Sender name is me. And click Classic Editor, because Classic Editor gives you the best chance of not being ending up in spam. And you know, there's a warning here with Google and Yahoo's new policies. Emails sent from a free email address are likely to end up in the spam box. Now, make sure you just subscribe to Google One for this to be avoided. Now, the body is where you go to go ahead and click go about writing your call to action. You need some copywriting for this. So let's say hey, and if you want the name of the mailing list, just click substitute and click first name. If you submit your first, if you have first name as the form in the website, and just go ahead and like paste like buy this now, maybe, or never. Basically this is where you set up your email. Now you can click save and publish, or save if you're not ready yet, or you can save and test. In this case, I'm just going to save and publish. Now you can have a delay, but I do not want it to have a delay, so it doesn't matter. And you can choose the day of the week the email can be sent. In this case, I'm not going to set anything so that it will be emailed straight after the customer has filled our form. So let's click activate, and we're done. Okay, so the last step is to connect our mailing list to our email campaign, right? And to do that, it's very simple. Go to your funnel, and on the automation rule, click add automation, add rule. Now there you go. The funnel adds funnel step from subscribe. Now I have a limit of my funnel, but I'll show you how it's done in a minute. Let's go to my old funnel. Now in the automation rule, when the form is submitted, add action and add subscribe to campaign, and click the campaign to be your previously created campaign, and in this case it's water bottle. So this way, whenever someone visits your website and they put in their email address, that email address will be added to your campaign, in which they will receive your email campaign list. Okay, so that is all from me. Thank you.